Meet Sarah, the CFO of a leading manufacturing company. Every decision she makes impacts the company's profitability, growth, and long-term success. She must balance cash flow optimization, cost control, compliance, and strategic growth, all while staying ahead in a competitive market.
Manufacturing finance isn't just about numbers. It's about making fast, informed decisions that keep our business running efficiently. We need full visibility of cash flow, costs, revenue, and financial risks in real time.
Without the right tools, financial blind spots can lead to cash flow problems, missed opportunities, and profit leaks. That's why Sarah needs a system that brings all financial and operational data together in one place. Enter Epicor ERP, the financial nerve center of modern manufacturing. With Epicor, Sarah can gain real-time financial visibility, no more guesswork, track costs, revenue, and profitability with up-to-the-minute data. Optimize cash flow, automate account receivables, pay suppliers on time, and reduce late payments. Control operational and inventory costs, monitor overheads, identify inefficiencies, and improve profit margins. Ensure compliance and risk management. Stay audit-ready with built-in financial governance tools. Enhance strategic decision-making. Use financial planning and analytics to forecast trends and make proactive business moves.
Epicor ERP gives us complete financial control at my fingertips. We can instantly see where we're overspending, optimize working capital, and make data-driven decisions that drive growth.
With Epicor ERP, Sarah can do more than just manage finances. She can drive financial transformation.
With Epicor, we have the power to turn financial data into strategic action. We're not just managing our business, we're future-proofing it.
Ready to transform your financial operations and unlock your company's true potential? Empower your business with Epicor ERP.